In this video, let's see how to change currency in Expedia. Start by navigating to the official Expedia website. In the top navigation bar, find the currency and region selector, identifiable by the flag icon next to it, and click on it. In the Display Settings modal, click on the drop-down menu for region. Select your preferred region from the Region drop-down menu. When you change the region, the currency will automatically update to match the selected area. For instance, if you choose Canada, the currency option will switch to Canadian dollars. Similarly, selecting France or other European countries will change the currency to euros. In the modal, click the Save button to confirm your changes. So, that's how to change currency in Expedia.